Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the primary key in Microsoft Access. This is a crucial skill when you need to reorganize your database structure or fix data relationships that aren't working as intended. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Access application and load your database. Once the software launches, navigate to and open the specific database you want to work with. This initial step ensures you're working in the correct environment before making any structural changes to your tables. Once your database is fully loaded, the next step is to open the table where you want to change the primary key. This is important because primary key changes must be done at the table level, not from any other view in Access. Click on the table you need to modify to open it up. With your table now open, look toward the top of your screen where all the ribbon tools are displayed. Click on the Home tab if it's not already selected. From here, locate the View drop-down button. This is typically found on the left side of the Home ribbon. Click on it to reveal several viewing options for your table. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Design View. This step is critical because Design View is the only place where you can modify the structure of your table, including changing which field serves as the primary key. The view will shift, and you'll now see a completely different layout that shows all your field names and their properties. In Design View, you'll see a list of all the field names that exist under your database table. Take a moment to locate the field that currently has the primary key assigned to it. You'll typically see a small key icon next to this field, making it easy to identify which field is currently set as the primary key. Now click on the Table Design tab in the ribbon at the top of your screen. This tab contains all the tools you need for modifying table structure. From here, the process becomes quite straightforward. You can easily assign or remove primary keys by clicking on the Primary Key button in the Tools group. To change your primary key, first you'll need to remove the existing one. Click on the field that currently has the primary key, then click the Primary Key button in the ribbon to remove it. You'll notice the key icon disappears from that field. Next, select the new field you want to designate as your primary key by clicking on it, then click the Primary Key button again. The key icon will now appear next to your newly selected field, confirming it as the new primary key for your table. And that's it. You've successfully changed the primary key in your Microsoft Access table. This simple process gives you complete control over your database structure and helps ensure your data relationships are properly organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.